Welcome, Android users. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to close applications on your Android phone or tablet. Whether you want to free up memory, improve battery life, or simply tidy up your device, we've got you covered. Step 1. Using the Recent Apps list. 1. Open the Recent Apps list. If you're using Android 10 or above, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen and release your finger. Look for the 3 vertical lines, square, or cascading rectangles icon, depending on your model, to access the list. 2. Scroll through the apps, swipe left or right or up or down, until you find the app you want to close. 3. Swipe the app off the screen, if you scrolled vertically. Swipe the app left or right, if the list scrolls horizontally, swipe the app up. Alternatively, tap the X in the top corner of the apps window. 4. To close all open apps at once, tap Close All or Clear All. Step 2. Force stopping an app. 1. Open your Android settings, tap the gear icon, Settings app, in your app list. Alternatively, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. 2. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps Notifications. This will display a list of your installed apps. 3. Choose the option to display all apps. If you see a 3-dot menu, select Show System Apps or Show All Apps to refresh the list. 4. Tap the app you want to close. This shows information about the app. 5. Tap Stop or Force Stop. Confirm the action when prompted. You've learned how to close apps on Android. Enjoy better performance and manage your apps efficiently. Remember, a tidy device is a happy device.